As this is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing very good. Today we will revise block 17 changes people make. We will revise this block half part today, and tomorrow we will revise other half part. So read the block thoroughly and underline important sentences and difficult words of this block and come back again. Now I will ask you some questions and you will answer them. Now answer who were Buddha, Mahavira, and Guru Nanak. Tell two important things each one did. Read every little detail about them and answer these questions. Don't answer very short. Don't give very short answer. Please answer every detail about them. So, Gautam Buddha, his real name was Siddharth. And where he was born to a king and queen in Lumbini, and Lumbini is now in Nepal. And why he left his palace? He left his palace to see sick and poor people. In which age he left his palace? When he was about 29 years old. And why? He left his palace to become a monk. What he taught people? Answer: he told people or he taught people to be kind to one another, speak the truth, not do anything wrong, and love and respect each other. And which religion he found? Gautam Buddha founded Buddhist religion, and the people who believed in him and became his followers are known as Buddhists. Means the people who follow Buddhist religion are called Buddhists. Next, who was Mahavira? Mahavir was born around the same time as Gautam Buddha. And where he was born? He was born in Vaishali in Bihar. And in which age? Gautam Buddha left his palace when he was 29 years old, and Mahavir left his home or palace when he was 30 years old. He preached the Jain religion, and what he taught people? He taught people to be kind to one another and to be kind to animals and other living beings. He did not believe in killing animals or insects. He wanted people to live in peace and always speak the truth, and his followers are known as Jains. And his full name is Bhagwan Mahavir Jain. So his followers are known as Jains. Next, who was Guru Nanak? Guru Nanak, which religion he found? He founded Sikh religion. And where he lived? He lived in Punjab more than 500 years ago. And what he believed? He believed that there is only one God. And what the other thing? Other thing is that we all are equal in the eyes of God. It doesn't matter who is poor, rich, educated or uneducated. It doesn't matter. Everyone is equal in the eyes of God. He told people to treat everyone in the same way. He preached that everyone should love and care for others. He told people to help those who are needy and poor. And which religion he found? Sikh religion. Which religion Mahavir was found? Jain religion. And Gautam Buddha? Buddhist religion. And what were their main teaching? Mahavira Mahavira did not believe in killing animals or insects. Gautam Buddha told, speak the truth and be kind to all. And Guru Nanak told that everyone is equal in the eyes of God and everyone should love and care for others. Now you need to answer, would you consider them great people? Why? What qualities do you think they had which made them what they were? What can you learn from them? So what's your answer? You can answer to your partner. So yes, we will consider them great people. They are great people. And why? For what they believed in. They could have led comfortable lives, but they decided to give them up to help and guide people. And what do you think? Were they physically strong? What do you think that only physically strong people like superheroes can be great person? So no, one need not to be physically strong to become a great person. We can become great by our actions and beliefs. And why? Because our good actions give strength to ourselves and inspire good actions in others. Many people became their followers and tried to practice what they preached. These religious leaders must have had a lot of love for the people. They were kind and had the courage to do what they believed in. And what we can learn from them? We can learn that we should love and care for the people. We should have the courage to do the things what we believe in. We should be kind and truthful. Now answer, what would not have happened if these religious leaders had not existed? So we would not have had the three religions. If these religious leaders had not existed, then we would not have had the three religions: Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism. And people would not have known the importance of being kind, respectful and non-violent. Non-violent means not spreading hate or not hurting others. So this is about religious leaders, and tomorrow we will revise remaining topics. After this, you need to do your writing work. Questions are: write about the problems we have in our society today, how we can use their teachings to bring in a change. Their means religious leaders' teachings. Next question is, do you think great people have to be physically strong? Give reasons. Please write by giving reasons. Don't answer like yes or no. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Complete your work, read the blog properly and then answer my questions. Take care everyone. God bless.